Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope you all guys will be fine. Finally, the latest recipe had been released. So let's start the latest recipe. Take some potatoes, then cut it in finger shape. Now add some water in it. Wash it and remove starch. Put the potatoes on kitchen towel. Dry it with kitchen towel. Now transfer Thedri potatoes in another bowl. Add corn flour, red chili powder, then add salt. Now mix it well. Fry it. Cooking oil, chopped ginger, garlic, onion, square cut. Fry it until golden brown. Capsicum. Salt. Chili flakes. Make corn flour slurry. Tomatoes, removed seeds. Szechuan sauce, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, corn flour slurry. Finger chips. Honey. Sesame seeds. Again, mix it well. Ready to eat. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.